ka dahil sa dami ng may sakit sa bato sa Pilipinas, hindi mo alam kung safe ka pa ba. Sino-sino ba ang may risk factors for CKD? Unang-una sa lahat, high blood sugar o diabetes. Sugar causes damage to the glomeruli and the blood vessels. Pangalawa, high blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure damages small vessels on the kidneys and causes decreased blood flow. Pangatlo, heart disease. Heart failure and diseased blood vessels cause decreased blood flow to the kidneys. Pang-apat, obesity. Excess fat causes inflammation and oxidative stress to blood vessels and kidneys. Buti na lang ako, naninigarilyo lang ako. Pwes, kasama ka pa rin. Panglima, smoking causes damage to blood vessels causing reduced blood flow to the kidneys. Pang-anim, age more than 60. Elderly have reduced nephron mass, more prone to kidney injury. Pang-pito, family history. Some kidney disease have strong genetic components. Pang-walo, acute kidney injury. Previously damaged kidneys are prone to develop CKD. Ano nga ba ang solusyon? Simple lang yan. Early detection is your advantage. Mag-check agad sa nephro mo o magpa-lab test para malaman kung safe ba ang kidney mo o hindi. Tandaan, ang CKD ay panghabang buhay na sakit at ang mga affected sa kidneys ay hindi na nare-reverse. Pero ang progresyon ng sakit na ito ay pwedeng mapabagal at makontrol. Comment on the way kung balak mo nang magpa-test para maagapan ang kidney damage. Kung di ka pa naka-follow sa akin, i-follow mo na din ako and share this video to your family and friends because one sharing is caring.